Oh my gosh, guys. This stock is. You got that right. We're going to be talking about Target stock today. One of the hottest stocks in the month of August. My gosh. I just have the 1 month chart pulled up here, and needless to say, you'll see a little bit of a shocking wink, big old wall there. You know what I'm saying? That's exciting. So, we're going to go into today what's going on with this stock. Why was it so hot this month? What's going on? And how are things going to look in the future? So, first off, one point of data I want to show to you right now. I'm just going to highlight it. See if you can see it. See what I'm highlighting? That's right. Trailing 12-month PE ratio. Their PE ratio. Just did a nice video about that. If you didn't see, go ahead check that one out. 17. PE ratio 17. You know what that means? That's a fairly valued stock. Another important thing to think about Target. Currently yielding 2.4% with a $2.64 annually distributed per share. Oh my. So not only are you getting these big gains with this stock right now, you're getting paid a juicy dividend too. Love it. Love to think of it. Let's go into a little bit more. Another big thing to mention here, this forward PE ratio of 16. What does that mean? Well, let's be honest. We're not overvalued. That's what I'm telling you right now. This stock right now is not overvalued. I think we're perfectly fair value, and I don't think anyone can call it fair value at this point. So whether or not it's something you're considering buying, who knows? It's entirely up to you. Market cap of $54 billion. So obviously Target Corporation, you know them as a retail corporation, big ol' retail store. Love Target personally. Always a great place to shop at. So always enjoy my experience at Target. We're going to go into a timeline now of what happened. What happened this month? Obviously, we know one key event that may have led to it, but let's just go ahead and do a timeline, see how things started. So we're starting off here on the 5th of August. Oh my gosh. It's been upgraded by Deutsche Bank. Deutsche. From a buy, or from a hold to a buy. Are you kidding me? $99 price target, a 21% upside? Wow, at this point, it was $81 per share. And obviously, analysts are always wrong about literally everything that they do in their lives. So the fact that they say only $99, obviously we're at $106 1 month after giving that rating. So yeah, forget about the analysts if this is evidence enough. Obviously, it's good they said it was going up, but look at that. Raised price target by a somewhat major analyst. That's going to bring the stock up, and it did a little. Isn't that awesome? But, okay now, we're going to get a little bit further in the month. Target unveils flagship food brand. So they have released a new food and beverage brand, Good and Gather, and this is going to offer a wide range of food. It's going to be their store brand, another version of their store brand, focused on quality ingredients and great value. So is it going to be similar to a great value brand at Walmart? We'll see. But obviously this is the month that they're going to start being available in stores, this brand here. So that's something to look at for. I'm certainly going to be looking at it. I go into Target pretty regularly, so I'll be looking, see if I can try some of these new things. 'Cause I'm sure they're going to be good. Target releases quality stuff. What can I say? But you see here, dairy, produce, pastas, meats, granola bars, sparkling waters. Oh my gosh. Organic, seasonal, signature lines. What is going on? So it's going to be replacing Archer Farms and Simply Balanced, more of their other their non-name brand foods. And their goal is reducing. Market Pantry is their main discount brand, or their store brand. They're going to be reducing those and adding more to this Good and Gather brand instead. So, wow, that's new and exciting. Gotta love it. So that, obviously, that's excitement. People are going to buy this stock. But what really drove it up here? I mean, we all know. Whoo-wee! Target beats by 20 cents a share. 20 cents a share. Look at that. Revenue of $18.42 billion. Up 5% year over year. Up 5%. This is a big retail company. Huge retail company. $18 billion is not a small amount of money, and they grew at 5%. Obviously a beat there. And that's where we see a lot of this huge gain here. So that day alone, up 12%, 12.4%. They reported pre-market, so it was a very good day for them. Ended somewhere around up 12% for that day. Comp sales rose 3.4%, above estimates. Digital sales, so e-commerce sales, grew 34%. Gotta love it. The gross margin was up. You hear that? Up. Yeah, that's something you're not seeing much nowadays. A lot of companies are reporting these lower margins, but Target, guess what? They went ahead and increased it. So love it, love it, love it. Now the only thing is their guidance was pretty on point. So nothing too significant there to drag it down. So obviously, good news about this. And then at the end of the month, we get hit with a heavy hitter. Another huge bit of information. Disney is going to be opening up stores in 25 Target locations and 40 more by 2020. Disney stores. This is crazy. This is going to bring so much more traffic into Target stores. Just because kids want to go to the Disney stores. So are adults. Everyone loves Disney. It's really cool. It's a really cool partnership, and I think it's going to be great for Target in the long run. And I think we'll see an increase in traffic. So obviously it increases Disney's store count, but on top of that, yeah. So Disney doesn't have to have their own store by itself. Usually those are located in malls, but this one's going to be in a retail store. It's going to be interesting. It'll be in an existing retail store. So I'm excited. I don't know about you, but I think Target's going to be continue to be a stock we need to watch over the coming couple years. I think it's going to be continuing to be hot. In fact, I might even say Michael Scott says it best. All right, hope you enjoyed.